Here is the add-on we are up to talk about, and it is specially made for LearnDash users. Reset Course Progress is a first add-on by LD Ninjas. After activating the add-on, if you click on Setting, then you find the Reset Course Progress layout. In LearnDash default functionality, you need to go to the user's profile and reset the course manually for all the users one by one. The courses are shown as completed before you reset them, so simply select it and update the user profile to reset the courses. Let's see how we can reset the courses with multiple users with specific and all courses. Here you add specific users, reset type, reset rule, as well as specific courses, as I have selected 2 specific courses here. Now simply press the reset button. Once you are done with this process, you will see that the specific courses have been reset. After this, go to the user's profile again. You will see the course progress is shown as completed, so simply refresh the page. Yes, the course has been reset now. On this tab, you can reset the course progress by selecting specific user roles and reset type. Here we are going to reset the quiz progress, so select the specific course and check mark if you also want to reset the lesson. No selection of quizzes resets all the quizzes of this course. The process is quite simple and easy. Here you are. The quizzes and lessons of this course have been reset successfully. Along with this, you can also reset the course progress with a specific group or all the groups. You also have an option to exclude specific groups if you want. Select Reset Type and Reset Rule and click on the Reset button. Interestingly, this add-on also has an exclusive option to schedule the reset progress. Simply follow the steps and click on the Schedule Reset button. Select the actual date and time, with recurring mode, and then click on the button to save the scheduled reset. Sounds great! The course reset has been scheduled now. For more queries, feel free to visit ldninjas.com.